SAPM Master Data and Interview Q&A. SAPM, Material Management, is a module within the SAP ERP system that deals with the management of materials and inventory. Master data in SAPM refers to the foundational data that is required to perform various procurement and inventory management processes. It includes information about materials, vendors, and purchasing information that is used throughout the system. Here is a full explanation of the key master data elements in SAPM. Material Master. The Material Master contains detailed information about materials that are procured, produced, or sold. It includes data such as material description, unit of measure, valuation data, and various attributes related to the material. The Material Master is essential for procurement, inventory management, and other related processes. Vendor Master. The Vendor Master contains information about the vendors or suppliers from whom materials are procured. It includes details such as vendor name, address, contact information, payment terms, and purchasing conditions. The Vendor Master is crucial for managing the procurement process, including creating purchase orders and tracking supplier performance. Source List. The source list specifies the preferred sources of supply for materials. It is a list of approved vendors or supply sources for a particular material. The source list is used to control and restrict the selection of vendors during the procurement process. Info Record. The info record contains purchasing information specific to a material and a vendor. It includes data such as pricing conditions, delivery terms, and other procurement-related details. The info record helps in maintaining and retrieving purchasing data for materials from specific vendors. Purchasing Info Record. The Purchasing Info Record is an extension of the info record and is used for materials that are procured externally. It contains additional information such as order unit, material group, and source list assignment. The Purchasing Info Record is used in the procurement process to determine the source of supply and pricing conditions. Material Valuation. Material valuation refers to the determination of the value of materials in inventory. It involves assigning values to materials based on various valuation methods such as standard price, moving average price, or FIFO, first in, first out. Material valuation is crucial for financial accounting and inventory management purposes. Bill of Materials, BOM. The Bill of Materials is a structured list of components required to produce a finished product. It specifies the quantity and type of materials needed for production. The BOM is used in manufacturing processes to plan and track the consumption of materials. Here are some commonly asked interview questions and answers related to SAPM, Materials Management, Master Data. Q. What is SAPM Master Data? A. SAPM Master Data refers to the information maintained in the SAP system that is essential for managing materials within an organization. It includes data such as Material Master Records, Vendor Master Records, and Purchasing Info Records. Q. What is a Material Master Record? A. A Material Master Record contains all the essential data about a material, such as its description, classification, unit of measure, stock details, pricing information, and purchasing data. It serves as a central source of information for materials management. Q. What are the different views in the Material Master Record? A. The Material Master Record consists of various views, including basic data, sales, purchasing, accounting, and warehouse management views. Each view contains specific information related to that particular aspect of material management. Q. How do you create a material master record? A. To create a material master record, you can use the SAP transaction code MM01. You need to provide all the necessary details in the respective views, such as material type, description, base unit of measure, purchasing data, and accounting data. Q. What is a vendor master record? A. A vendor master record contains information about a vendor or supplier, such as their contact details, payment terms, delivery terms, and other relevant information. It is used for procurement and managing relationships with vendors. Q. How do you create a vendor master record? A. To create a vendor master record, you can use the SAP transaction code XK01. You need to provide details like vendor name, address, payment terms, bank details, purchasing organization data, and other relevant information. Q. What is a purchasing info record? A. A purchasing info record, PIR, contains information specific to a material and a particular vendor. It includes details such as the last purchase price, validity dates, and source list information. PIRs are used in the procurement process to determine pricing and source of supply. Q. How do you create a purchasing info record? A. To create a purchasing info record, you can use the SAP transaction code ME11. You need to specify the material, vendor, and relevant purchasing data such as the purchasing organization, validity dates, and pricing conditions. Q. What is a source list in SAPM? A. A source list is a list of preferred vendors for specific materials. It ensures that only approved vendors are considered for procurement. The source list is maintained in the material master record and determines the source of supply for a material. Q. How do you maintain a source list in SAPM? A. To maintain a source list, you can use the SAP transaction code ME01. You need to specify the material, the list of approved vendors, and the validity dates for each vendor. Remember, these questions are just a starting point for your interview preparation. It's always a good idea to study and understand the concepts thoroughly, and also practice hands-on with SAPM to gain practical experience.